Hi guys!
So we're in Costco, we're buying something.
Yeah. It's very cold outside. Actually it's 4:30 in the afternoon. Look. It's like night already here. Look. It's 4:30 in the afternoon actually. So we're here in Costco. So this is Costco guys, isa sa pinakamalaking supermarket dito sa Canada. Karamihan dito ay puro wholesale. So pag single ka, parang hindi worth it ang pumunta dito kasi walang tingi-tingi dito. Karamihan ay wholesale dito. Parang mga large packages lahat dito. Oh, this is my favorite. My husband's favorite. How much?
Look beside me
Where?
there.
That's just like your teddy bear at home, nah?
Yeah.
In your bed?
But there's no, what's that?
Do you like?
Almost the same. The other one
Yeah, almost the same.
That's the same.
You know how much, Anna? You see?
Huh?
How much? Do you see how much?
That's so expensive.
Yeah, it's 50. So don't
But the very smallest one. So we can just buy it.
Christmas na pala guys. So maraming Christmas tree na binibenta dito. At hindi ka pala makakapasok dito sa Costco pag hindi ka member. So kailangan ng membership dito.
Say hi. Say hi. Wait, that one water bottle? You can see it?
Oh, 23 tido.
Same like my mom, but not same color.
So ganito kalaki ang Costco. Marami kang pwedeng mabili dito. Marami talagang pumupunta dito kasi especially pagka may event ka or malaki ang pamilya mo. Maganda dito kasi maraming good deals dito para sa mga wholesale. So, yan guys, si Amor at saka si Daddy, nakarami sila ng pulot. Marami silang napulot. So, magbabayad na kami. Ako, magkano kayong babayaran namin? Self-checkout? Sige, self-checkout. Tignan yung mukha ng dalawang to. Parang ang saya nilang pumulot pero parang hindi ko maintindihan yung mukha nilang magbabayad na sila. So, ayan na guys ang aming pinamili at yan ang aming babayaran. Magkano? Oh, $158. That is like almost 11,000 peso. Ang mahal, di ba? Mahal ang bilihin din dito sa Canada. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. So, tapos na kaming mag-shopping, guys. And it's like 6 o'clock in the evening. Pero ano, parang gabing-gabi na. Parang, ano, ganito dito. Pagka-winter. Pag 4 p.m. na, simula nang magdilim. Uuwi na kami, guys.